Ciao Tesla people, today another road trip. I'm going to Scanno with the lake and maybe to Frattura, which is a town on top of the mountain above the lake. It's a beautiful day, it's kind of warm, right now it's 26 degrees Celsius, 10:30 in the morning. So hopefully there is not too many people and already left from vacation. So less people, much better for visiting the places, okay? Anyway, I'm going to do a time lapse of the road because there is a very nice road inside a canyon. There are mountains on top, on the right and the left side. So it's a beautiful ride, and I'll see you there. So I just stopped right after Anversa in the Gole Del Sagittario, which is the canyon, and you see this is the beginning of the canyon. I just stopped because here there's a fountain with water, and the water comes directly from the mountain. You know, I know this place because I know it really well, this place, since I've been here from when I was really young. And the water is fantastic. Okay, and let me fill this one too. Okay. And so down here there is the Gole. It's called Gole Del Sagittario because the Sagittario is the small creek that is down the valley. And this place is called Acqua de Colli. Acqua is water, and Colli is like a hill, which are actually, these are mountains. And the water is fantastic. So on this place, the town Anversa degli Abruzzi is down here. My grandfathers were from there. And down up there on the mountain, now I'm going to show you. Let me. Okay. And down the mountain, up the mountain, there is a town called Castrovalva down there. It was a Roman establishment. Also down there on the mountain, there are all wind turbines. There are still because there's no wind. Anyway, just got some water because the water is great, as I said. And now I'm going to Scanno, and I'm going to do time lapse of the Gole del Sagittario, the canyon down here. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. I'm in Frattura, and here is the view from up here. That's the Scanno Lake. It's really beautiful, all the mountains around, and that's Scanno, and the lake is down there. That side is Villa Lago, and we are going towards there. There are the canyon, and that's it. It's really nice. It's kind of cloudy, maybe it's coming to rain. Unfortunately, this is the scenario every day today in this week. If you see, there is a white line around the lake. That's the amount of water that is missing the lake, and it's about 3 or 4 meters of water missing because it didn't rain for a long time. And even this rain that comes and goes, it's too little. It didn't snow much this winter, so that's why there's no missing water. Okay, it's pretty cool. Car is over here. Everything's good. So I'm back home. It was a nice road trip. First I went to Scanno, took a walk, ate some pastry, which is really good, and then went to Frattura. You saw the from the top the lake of Scanno. It's really nice. The temperature was really great and it was windy. Perfect temperature and stuff. Now I'm back home, and unfortunately here it's 33 Celsius. I should have stayed longer, but it was becoming crowded too, and maybe it's going to rain in a bit. Anyway, it was a great road trip. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.